Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. We hope you are doing great. Reforms to restrict care workers from bringing family members are now in force, while care providers are required to register if they are sponsoring migrants. The UK Home Office on the 11th of March 2024 released another statement to announce the implementation of the care worker bans, which were announced to take effect on the 11th March 2024. In today's video, we will tell you everything about these reforms from the UK Home Office and what you can do if the rules affect you. So to get everything, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to keep yourself updated whenever we publish new content. Without any further delays, let's begin. On March 11, 2024, the UK Home Office implemented significant changes to immigration regulations impacting care workers and their sponsoring employers. These reforms address concerns about high levels of dependence accompanying care workers and potential visa abuse within the sector. Restrictions on family sponsorship. A key aspect of the reform restricts overseas care workers from bringing dependent family members with them to the UK. This policy stems from a perceived imbalance in the numbers entering the country under the care worker visa route. According to the Home Office, a staggering 120,000 dependents accompanied only 100,000 care workers in 2023. The government views this as a potential exploitation of the visa system. Impact on care providers. Care providers in England who sponsor migrant workers now face a mandatory registration requirement with the Care Quality Commission (CQC). The CQC is the independent regulator responsible for overseeing the quality of care in health and social care settings. This registration ensures that sponsoring employers adhere to strict quality and ethical standards in their recruitment practices. Government rationale. The Home Office justifies these reforms through a multi-pronged approach. The government aims to significantly reduce overall immigration levels. Restricting family sponsorship for care workers is seen as a key measure in achieving this goal. The Home Office also expresses concerns that some care worker visas might have been obtained under pretenses. The hope is that stricter regulations will deter such practices. The government suggests that the high number of dependents might have depressed wages and undercut opportunities for British care workers. Limiting dependents could incentivize employers to focus on recruiting domestic talent. These new regulations have drawn criticism from various quarters. Here are some of the key concerns raised. Care providers already face staffing shortages. Restricting family sponsorship might further discourage overseas workers from coming to the UK, exacerbating the existing crisis. Critics argue that separating care workers from their families creates unnecessary hardship and could negatively impact their well-being and mental health. Some argue that the government lacks concrete evidence of widespread visa abuse within the care worker sector. The long-term effects of these reforms remain to be seen. Here are some potential outcomes. Reduced immigration. Net migration numbers might decrease as anticipated by the government. Increased costs for care providers. The CQC registration process might add administrative burdens and costs for care providers. Shift in recruitment strategies. Care providers might need to adjust their recruitment strategies to focus more on attracting domestic workers. The UK Home Office's new immigration reforms for care workers represent a significant shift in policy. While the government aims to curb net migration and address potential visa abuse, the potential negative impacts on recruitment, family separation, and the overall quality of care remain concerns. The coming months will reveal how these changes affect the care sector and the lives of those who work within it. We hope this information was very helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more on UK visas and immigration updates.